Dinner time. I'm making some we call it jollof rice. Sure, let's call it that. Some jollof rice, coleslaw, and some lamb. So yeah. Some stock, chili flakes, all this other stuff, and now the meat is still, the lamb is still slow frying. I'm slow frying the lamb, which takes a bit longer, but it's so delicious. My mum taught me how to slow fry. Still cutting, I cut half, not half, one of the other old cabbages. Now there's this one. And I'm gonna grate a carrot. Three cups of water. Alright, here's my dinner. There's some lamb, jollof rice, coleslaw, and some sauteed green beans. And I'm having some sparletta as my drink. I know some of you may be asking where my husband is. My husband is at work. He finishes late on a Thursday. I'm leaving this light on for Farai, and I've left him a little note. Yeah, so I am gonna go to bed. Farai's working a lot later than usual. Usually he should be home by now, but good morning. Happy Friday, TGIF. It is Friday, another day, another dollar, another work day. Today I have stood the desk up. Recently got a stand-up desk, which is pretty cool, pretty fun. But now that I'm standing, there's no light. Like, anyway, so yeah, wearing the same jumper I wore yesterday because why not? I didn't even end up going out yesterday anyway, so it defeats the purpose. My husband came home at like 3 last night. I know because I woke up, but I didn't wake up. He doesn't know that I was awake, but I was awake. It's hard to sleep. I guess I understand now why my parents wouldn't sleep when I'm like out late and things like that, and you'll see the lights go off when you get home. So yeah, anyway, we'll see. On Fridays we have leftovers, some leftover pumpkin, boerewors, rice, pasta, and I also made some veggies, so we have some veggies as well. Yeah.
I am just hijacking this vlog because today is a good day to be a Man U fan. I don't know if you guys are Man U fans out there, but Ronaldo is coming back home soon. And she's now a Man United fan by marriage.
No,
I'm not negotiating. That's how it is. Babapana. I'll go back to listening to the BRB. What a way to break thy fast. Quite a healthy option, huh?
Yeah, it's like my own sort of take on a ramen bowl. So yeah, let's eat.
I've been a Christian longer than you. Now I'm speaking to the Christians now, right? So I've been a Christian longer than this guy. You'll understand. People are people. You can't change people. No, keep the childlike faith. Keep the childlike wonder. Keep the childlike humanity of like, you know what? It doesn't matter the political faction or the skin color. I love you. I love you and I forgive you.
Your husband will hurt you.
Have a look here. It says, "Take heed that you do not
Forgive your
despise one of
husband.
the little ones, for I say to you that in heaven their angels always see the face of my Father who is in heaven."
Why do you eat
The
with
Son of Man has come to save that which was lost.
spoon?
Now, in context, he was talking about a lot of things here, the Jews and the Gentiles.
I'm starting to
and
sweat.
Israel, but what we're seeing here now is the Good Shepherd, Jesus, always has the best interest in mind. And remember, Jesus.
Are you doing manual labor?
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. He was there in the beginning, and that.
Happy Saturday. My hands smell like fish. Happy Saturday, guys.
Why are you looking at me?
Can you just pause it so I can do my introduction?
It's background music.
It's Saturday. It's about 4:30. Just finished breaking our fast, and now we're heading off to the shops. As you guys know, did they just recently put that wall in?
Yeah, I think so.
As you guys know, I was meant to go on Thursday, but I didn't end up going. Mister has his
And
hat.
as you know, Ronaldo's back.
I was getting a very thorough explanation as to why this is so important this morning, so I'm well aware of the significance. So yeah, we're just gonna go shopping and then come home, make dinner. I think we'll have a very unhealthy light dinner, salad, steak, chips. I'll make in the air fryer before we start. 9:30 I have a documentary that I want to watch. I know Farah has a game that starts at 9:30, but we
Man
only
City
have one
versus
TV, so I really want to watch this show. So yeah, we had a very lazy day today, very lazy. But it is what it is. Sometimes you just need to have a lazy day. But I doesn't want to come.
Now I have to be dragged along, you know? I prefer the eating part, not the shopping.
He loves when the food is there. He doesn't like to go to get the food. Make it make sense.
Look, camera away. Today I want to annoy her so bad that she will never ask me to come shopping with her ever again. Can we go home now? Can we go home? Can we go home? Can we go? Why are you ignoring me?
I said no. Register 3.
This yo what the hey what has gotten into you?
Throw the first jab.
Huh? Whoa boy
Say everything you've been saying today.
Boy
Go.
I think you need to the rest of them out. Come on Chicha.
Come on, Ante. Say it. Finish your sentences.
They when men beat women with Zimbabwe. Yes. Your people see. This is what happens in marriage.
Are you trying to fight me with your legs?
So what happens in marriage. Then people will say, why did he beat her? Huh?
Oh, you want to do domestic violence in this house?
No, clear.
You want to domestic violence me?
Where did you even get those gloves?
I bought them when I went shopping.
Hey, my twist.
This is what we're currently looking like. our fruit bowl is looking healthy again, not what it's been looking like for the past week. We got a lot of stuff. This is sort of like a what would you call it? So I grocery shop every fortnight, so every 2 weeks after I get paid, just because I feel like it's a lot easier, and I just get everything. I just get everything that's needed, and then if I need something else, like urgently or whatever on the day, I'll go get it. But ever since I started grocery shopping fortnightly and writing a list and things like that, I rarely ever go to the shops. I only go to the shops every fortnight. So it's worked out well. It's a bit more expensive for that one shop, but it means that you get everything that you need and you're done. You don't have to go to the shops during COVID and all that kind of stuff at the same time. You know, it's just, it works for us. And Farah has never complained, not that he would complain. So we're just doing, I am just unpacking. Others seem to be, I know what trauma, whatever they're talking about, yeah, trauma, domestic abuse, I don't know what that is, just a bit of fun and games. I reorganized the fridge. I'm really proud of it. I'm aiming to get to that Instagram point of different compartments, this, that. Still not there yet, but we'll get there.
I'm just preparing you for what's gonna end up happening, because you don't live by yourself, unfortunately.
But I live with an adult.
That's what you think. But I'm telling you, I'll try my best, but I can't make promises. God is testing you through this marriage to see how much you can take and forgive other people. Through this marriage, Papa Chow Noti, Mridikon Weku Church, or a real woman of God with the Spirit of the Lord through this marriage.
Oh gosh. Got the steak, got some corn, some sweet corn, and then in the air fryer you got the chips. These are rosemary and something chips. Some mushrooms here, which I'm going to use with some onion, some garlic. Excuse the little pieces. To make a quick little creamy mushroom sauce. So I'm cooking a steak in some butter, and I'm cooking the steak in butter and some garlic. We have like no cutlery at the moment because it's all in the dishwasher. That's why I'm using these big old spoons. Dinner's ready. We have some steak, which is kind of charred because I don't really have the correct pan for it. Some sweet corn, some air fried chips, a salad, and some creamy mushroom sauce.
Time for foodie.
I can't wait to watch my TV show. It starts, what's the time? 10 minutes!
No. We are watching.
Can we just record it and watch it later? Shumba vanodya vachiguta. Okay, I'm about to make some masala chai. So I've got some raw ingredients. I have cardamom pods, which are cracked. Sorry, these are cardamom pods. I've got some cumin, star anise, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon, and I think that's it. And you sort of put it according to, what did I say, just taste, and you can add more. But first what I'm going to do is I've been heating up this pot here, so I'm going to chuck the spices in there to toast them a little bit to help enhance the flavour. When it starts bubbling like this, it's about ready to bubble over. So that means it's ready to go.
Game and City dominated and got the rewards for it, but other than that, Arsenal got some real.
I've made you dessert. Shall I?
Well, that kicks off match week 3 in pretty dramatic fashion at the Etihad Stadium. We've got 6 more games for you today. A 5-game goal rush with our feature coming.
Are you not going to eat?
West Ham looking for a 3rd straight win against Crystal Palace.
You've made dessert for yourself, being an Arsenal supporter, and are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
That's why I married you, because if you can stay with a team like this, you'll never leave me.
As a result of that win for Manchester City, will they go top on goal difference for a few hours?
Excuse me, Dimati, masala chai yangu ndindega since others are asking.
Arsenal, a very different story. And that says it all. They are rock bottom. Played 3, lost 3, no goals scored. They conceded 9. The worst possible start to the season for Mikel Arteta, who goes into the international break with much to ponder.
Hi guys, sorry it's the washing machine. Happy Monday, not Sunday. Sorry we went MIA on Sunday. It was just one of those days. We had a really lazy day. We slept after church, or I slept after church, then Farah slept at like 5 or something. My video was up, and just had a really slow, lazy type of day. But then we did end up filming 3 videos on Sunday evening, so I'm finished filming at about 10, got Nando's for dinner, and then went to bed, and yeah. I'm not working today because your girl hurt herself as per usual. So yeah, I'm not able to work because I use a mouse and type and things like that, and my wrist is a bit sore at the moment. So I went to the GP this morning, and yeah, that's about it. So modern housewife, I guess. Well, this is my life. This is currently my life in lockdown. This is how we live. This is what we do. So, get on rest. This is how we do life together. We're still getting used to everything, still getting in the habit of being together, filming live, and forming a perfect routine. But I think we have a good routine down pat. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like. Comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you guys next time. I love you.